Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between Debian 13 and Ubuntu in an easy and simple way so you can choose the best one for yourself. Let's start with Debian 13. Debian is one of the oldest Linux operating systems, and version 13 continues its main focus, stability and reliability. Debian doesn't rush new updates. Every software package goes through multiple tests before it becomes part of the system. Because of this, Debian rarely crashes and runs smoothly for years without issues. Debian 13 is especially popular for servers and developers because it's stable, secure, and predictable. Once you install it, you don't need to worry much about maintenance. Now let's talk about Ubuntu. Ubuntu is based on Debian but designed to be easy for everyone to use. It gets new updates more frequently and also has LTS versions that stay supported for years. This means you always get newer features, updated apps, and a more modern system. Ubuntu also includes more drivers and firmware out of the box. So if you have modern Wi-Fi cards, Bluetooth devices, printers, or NVIDIA graphics, Ubuntu usually detects everything automatically. Ubuntu also supports Snap apps, making software installation very simple. And that's the full comparison. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching.